What are you doing?
I'm flying my drone.
Yes, I can see that, but where is it? I can't see or hear it.
I can see it. It's all the way over by the mountains.
You what? How can you see that?
Um, I have a video feed on my phone and I can see what the camera is seeing.
So you can't actually see it in the sky then?
Well, no, because it's too far away. How good do you think my eyesight is?
You do know what you're doing is wrong.
How?
When you're flying a drone, you must be able to see it. It's common sense. Bring it back here now.
Oh, I never knew that. Alright then, fine, I'll bring it back. Ah, this is so cool.
What are you doing now?
Well, you said I can't fly it far away and not being able to see it, so I'm flying it above me and going high.
Um, okay.
Oh wow, come and have a look at this.
What is it?
Just come and have a look.
Okay.
Look at this aeroplane I can see in the sky.
What? No, get away from the plane. Bring it back. Now, quick.
What's the fuss?
You're flying it next to an aeroplane. You can go to jail for that.
How? Birds can fly next to aeroplanes and they don't go to jail.
No, but drones can cause an accident. If they got into a plane's engine, that can destroy the engine and bring the plane down.
No way, you're just being stupid now. This small drone can't bring down a huge plane like that.
No, it can. That's why the law on the maximum height you can fly is 400 feet. You cannot fly near airports or planes, helicopters, anything. You can go to jail for that.
Ah, the plane's gone now anyway.
Now what are you doing?
1 minute. Ah,
What?
I'm in space.
For the love of God. Whatever. Okay then, just do as you please.
What? You said I can't fly next to planes. There's nothing in space.
Hey, is that your drone over there?
Where?
That one that keeps flying over the old couple's head?
Oh, yeah, that's me.
Why are you flying it so low?
It's not low, it's above everyone.
Well, obviously, but you need to be a minimum of 50 metres high when near people, and at least 150 metres when near buildings and cars and stuff. And you don't look that high at all. How high actually are you?
12 metres?
Right, so up you go. Go on.
Oh, this is stupid.
Where are you taking it?
Just to that crowd of lovely ladies on the beach. Ah, perfect angle.
That's rather strange, you know?
What is?
That you're using your drone to look at those women on the beach.
Just because I have a better view than you.
The way you're going, the only view you'll be getting is 4 white walls.
Eh?
You're just an idiot.
How?
You're breaking so many drone laws, it's unreal.
Oh, not this drone law stuff again. Go on, hit me with it.
Well, firstly, you're flying a drone in a crowded area with a lot of people. And then you're spying on people, which is against privacy rights because of the camera. And you're also below 50 metres. And may I ask, Did you even check your drone before you flew off?
No, I didn't know I had to.
Ugh, of all the people, why do you have a drone?
I didn't know there was so much to this drone flying thing.
I give up with you.
D. Don't fly near airports or airfields.
R. Remember to stay below 120 metres and at least 50 metres away from people.
O. Observe your drone at all times.
N. Never fly near an aircraft.
E. Enjoy responsibly.